good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. How are you guys doing? It is a brand new chilly day outside. Boy, I tell you, this winter is going to be colder than the south is normally accustomed to, because this weather that I'm feeling outside is no joke. It rained last night and I had no idea it rained until I woke up this morning and see water outside. So as I was saying to you guys, this winter is definitely gonna be cold. And I heard that it was there was hailstone last night falling while it was raining. Maybe that's why it's so extra chilly this morning. Outside is the chilliest I've felt it. It's the chilliest I've felt it since I've been telling you guys that it's chilly in the morning. But anyway, I'm up. I want to venture out in the road today because I want to go get green banana. I don't know if I'll be able to, because the warmer I can keep the kids, the better it is for Sarah and her coughing, and Tyler, which is kind of up and down with it. So if I go out in the street today, I'll definitely bring you guys along and show you guys what I'll be doing. But I am making some. Can you guess what I'm making? I'm frying something. What it is, I could possibly be frying right now. Ready? Write your answer. Dun dun dun. I am making banana fritters. And not only that I'm making banana fritters, but I'm gathering the ingredients to make crepe. And this time I am filming it for you guys because I promise you guys that I'm gonna give you guys a crepe recipe, and I'm gonna give you guys a patty recipe that I made. But first I'm gonna give you guys a crepe recipe because it's long overdue. So yeah, I'm gonna film the crepe recipe. So if when you guys watching this vlog, the crepe recipe is not on my food channel, which is at Mel's Kitchen Jamaica, then hopefully you guys will get it soon. As long as it's filmed, then it should be coming soon.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Yes, Sarah? What happened? Wow, okay. Get out of the kitchen. It's hot in here. Hot, hot. Go.
Mama.
Yes. Eat it. Thank you, though. You're very kind. Bye-bye. You want to come say hello to the faves?
Bye-bye.
Come, they can't see you. She said, Wagwan in the corner. Gone. Sarah, they can't see you. Come. I don't know if she's gonna come back. She's so like she's gone. Anyway, guys, you guys will see the rest of the fam bam because it's the weekend, so everybody is home today. So of course you guys will see each and every one of the fam in a bit. So have a good day. Stick and stay with us. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what part of today's vlog is your favorite as you go along and watch. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today.
Mama, can you touch it?
Oh, somebody's here. He is putting on a costume. Come say hello to face.
Wagwan.
My kids love dressing up in costume, in case you guys don't know. Now you know. Who is he dressing up as? Ugh. Stormtrooper. Sarah. Wait. Look. Sarah, look. Say hello.
Hello.
What are you eating?
I'm eating cookie.
You're eating cookie? You want to share with Faves? Give Faves some of your cookie. Give Faves some of your cookie. That's very nice of you. They say thank you.
Thank you.
Say you're welcome.
Welcome.
Whoa, whoa. Go, hot, hot. Back up.
Look, fritters.
Yeah, you want fritters?
Mama, I make an egg.
No, I'm not making egg. I'm going to make crepe with the egg. That's why you see eggs right there.
Yeah. And barbecue. Mama,
Yes.
hey, bowl.
Leave it. Yes, it's a bowl. Get down. Don't come up. Don't go up. Yes, Sarah.
Put on the tray.
No, eat. Eat the cookie. Finish the cookie first.
Okay. Wow.
Wow! Wait! Who is that? Who are you?
Astronaut.
You're an astronaut. You're an astronaut.
Yes.
Okay. And Sarah, what are you? You're a princess? Go for it. You guys know I don't normally eat breakfast. But once I make banana fritters, game over. Game over. Done. I make banana fritters and don't eat any. That's not possible. That's impossible. Alrighty, here we have a beautiful plate of banana fritters in this chilly weather, and then I have all my ingredients for my crepe. So please guys, look out for the video on the food channel. I'll show you guys the finished product when I'm done.
One, hey. À la une, à la deux et à la trois. Boum.
Oh, one more time.
À la une, à la deux et à la trois. Boum.
Fini.
C'est merci maman, merci papa.
Merci, Mama. Merci, Papa.
You're welcome.
My
Say your
turn.
homework. Oh my God, it's turned.
À la une, à la deux et à la trois.
It's tickling.
Alright, you guys. Prep ready just in time for lunch. Go and sit at the table. Attention! Crepe squad. fruits and vegetable store that I haven't come to in a long time. And I just pick up plantain and green bananas to make ackee and saltfish tomorrow. I'm with my little baby. The boys are gone to another store, so me and Sarah is in this one. And look what I have here. Look, you guys, hot pepper, scotch bonnet turnip. So I'm gonna pick up like 3 or so scotch bonnets.
Ouais, 15 € le kilo les tout à l'heure.
This one look good. Get a red one. Look good. Get a yellow one. I can saltfish without scotch bonnet. Yes.
Ouais, mais tu sais pas si
No, Sarah. Let's go see if I find cucumber and celery. Yes, there's celery. Celery is right here. They're here. Look here. Yeah. Hey you. Wow, what's this to make green juice? Green juice? Yeah. So not the best. We're at the glasses store getting new glasses. That one looked good.
Alright, so I'll go with this one.
Yeah. Yeah. Got these two on the gadgets to keep them quiet. Stopped at Chinese to pick up dinner real quick, and this is what dinner is looking like for tonight. We have samosa, and we have some shrimp under there. We have Chinese dumplings and some more chicken. We have rice. We have names. Oh, we have more chicken over here and vegetable. Dinner for tonight. No, I'm not advertising, so let me hide it. But I am having something cold, refreshing, to calm down my nerves. I had a rough afternoon as a parent. Rough afternoon. So I think I deserve this drink.
Life is hard, stressful.
Sometimes.
Kids.
Sometimes.
Kids.
I know why I asked God for only 2. Can't manage more than 2. No, sir.
But we had a good day.
We had a wonderful day, to say the least.
We had a good day, and tomorrow we're gonna have a good day too. And I'm sure you want to know what we're gonna do.
I'm maximizing out the weekend because my free paper bun as of tomorrow. As of tomorrow?
Back to 9 to 5 life.
Oh my god. Well, I'm excited.
9 to 5 life.
You're too funny. You see how much I'm burping since I started drinking this thing? My body needed it. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the bits and pieces that we had to show you guys today. I want to go and enjoy my results. I'm cutting you guys off early tonight. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're not subscribed, man. Catch up and keep up, and of course, we'll see you guys tomorrow for sure.